Two things make IAS officers. Why 15 to 35? Because they understand कि कुछ नहीं बेटा, हार्मोनल डिस्टर्बेंस है बेटा, नहीं कि ना उम्र की सीमा हो ना धर्म का हो बंधन. Literacy means you know how to do signature. Education means you have information. Today, if a Brahmin girl who's an IPS and a Dalit boy who's an IAS, if they marry, there will be no harm to the economy. There will be no harm to the economy. And love is beyond every boundary. The younger generation, 15 to 35, is a very dangerous period in life. Children never fall in love. You see children 1 to 5 years of age, they never fall in love. And 85 to 90, they cannot fall. That is why when young people fall in love, the elders are angry. Because they understand कि कुछ नहीं बेटा, हार्मोनल डिस्टर्बेंस है बेटा, नहीं. They say it, na? They say, you see, have you ever seen any young child of 6 years of age, male child, and a female child of 5 years of age, and they have revolted in the family? Okay, we are in love. No. Have you ever seen? No. Have you ever seen any old man of 80 years of age and an old woman of 85 years of age? कि they have revolted. कि ना उम्र की सीमा हो ना धर्म का हो बंधन. Have you ever seen? Why 15 to 35? Hormones, sir. Hormone. This elderly people understand कि बेटा एक्टिवेट कोई और ही कर रहा है, समझ नहीं पा रहा. Love is very good. But why with any one person? Buddha loved entire world. Love is universal. You see Buddha, Mahavira, why they are not doing anything? On worldly ground, they are doing a bigger thing. Because once you achieve it, there is nothing to achieve in this world. Literacy means you know how to do signature. You know how to read newspaper. Finish. Nothing is, this is what you call literacy. Education means you have information. Capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Information. But you don't know the importance of Mumbai. So you lack knowledge. Knowledge means connecting and understanding. As I started with in the beginning of the class. Okay, children, they never fall in love as youngsters fall. They fall in love. Keeping the data in front, connecting them, and then understanding the fact. Monarchy was based on what? Autocracy. किसी को भी उठा लिया. But today who's the king? People. So if you are picking up a person, you have to inform him. Preventive detention. You have to inform him. कि सर आपने बदतमीजी की है इसलिए आपको उठा रहे हैं और ये मैडम ने रिपोर्ट की. This is the way to prepare the NCRTs. Two things make IAS officers. One is NCRT, other is newspaper. Only two. Newspaper you will only do. I am repeatedly telling you, don't run away from your evolution. Don't run away from your evolution. You can run away from your evolution But then your goal will become a challenge for you, a dream for you. I know cycling, I can come and demonstrate cycling in front of you, but unless and until you sit on it and you fall, you will not learn. I told you in the previous class, I gave you a demo in the previous class, then also you were not able to do fundamental right.
हमारे कानपुर में है इकरा आईएएस बाय ओझा सर, जो आईएएस और पीसीएस की प्रेपरेशन के लिए लाए हैं बेस्ट फैकल्टीज फ्रॉम दिल्ली। तो अब मतलब वो सारे के सारे लोग जो कि आईएएस और पीसीएस की प्रेपरेशन के लिए दिल्ली जाने की सोच रहे हैं ना, तो अब उन्हें दिल्ली जाने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि ओझा सर की देखरेख में इकरा आईएएस लाए हैं न्यू ऑफलाइन बैचेस फॉर यूपीएससी आईएएस पीसीएस के बाद ज्वाइन एनसीईआरटी बेसिक्स एंड जीएस प्री का मेंस फाउंडेशन बैच सिर्फ और सिर्फ इकरा आईएएस, वो भी 9 नंबर क्रॉसिंग हमारे शारदा नगर कानपुर में।